you know, it's recycling, whatever you have. You just fold into triangle. Yes. And cut. At last, a triangle. And, you know, like this. You see? And cut this part.
Oh, you're making the square.
Yeah. Some kids doesn't have, you know, we need to start.
Yeah, we already made the square.
Yeah, you prepared. But some kids don't have paper, so we need to start. So you saw my new work, right? This one.
Wow, yeah.
Next time is hopefully 2 weeks later I will make butterfly and flower. So every 2 weeks, something new. So I will not use this one because of the color, not vivid on the camera. But I will use this one, pink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we will make box.
Okay.
Simple one. At this moment, simple. And at first, you need to make crease on the paper. So just make half. And another half. It's supposed to stimulate your brain in this sleepy time. And open. And along this line, you know, you just make triangle.
Okay.
Center is this, tip will go center.
Just
And
one?
all four will be
okay.
like this. I can't see. All over like this. Just make smaller square by folding one paper. Outside is noisy because gardening.
But it's okay from here. It doesn't hear.
Really? Yeah, I'm away from the window now because heating is going on. You're lucky people. So yeah, you will make that like that, and along this center, this is the center. You will make like that, like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you need to open like this. And the next is along this center line. We are making crease for the box. Like this. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Just making crease.
Okay.
Yeah. And the other side, same way, like this. From here, like this. Until this many kids can follow. From here it's really difficult. You see, if you see from the back, there is square. Small
okay,
square.
yeah.
This wheel is the bottom of the box.
Oh, okay.
This part.
Mm-hmm.
So I try to show you. You see this line.
Mm-hmm.
Along this line, you need to fold like this. It's really difficult to show.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah. There's already clear, so it's really easy, but some kids are really difficult to understand. Other side too, like this. Inside. Then this will be like this. Started to be a shape of box.
Okay.
Like this. Yeah. Then you did. This part is really difficult for some kids or adults, but we use it for regular life. We use a newspaper and make like some Japanese make it garbage box. You did? Yeah. Then I will turn here. Like you see this line. There is a line here. One line already. You hold it. Then you just hold once like this.
Okay.
And there's another line here. Just push inside. Yeah.
All the way inside, right?
Yeah, inside. Then this, that is the reason I use the color. It's easier to see. Yeah.
Yeah.
You will do the same thing other side. Here, I try to show you. This way. Same way. Simple. It's simple. That's true. If you understand this, really simple.
Yeah.
You see, if you put together, it will be really gift box, Yeah, you two made the two boxes, so you just, one is a lead, one is another part. Just try it together. Just put together, put inside something, and like that. One will be lead. Yes, like that. Just put inside. Then you can put inside. The one will be lead. Yeah, I didn't have another. So this is the box. So I finished.
Yay!
so short. Yeah, you just put inside. Then we use as a gift box.
Really?
Oh, yeah,
that's a good idea.
It's a small box, but like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Or if you use a bigger paper like a newspaper, like my sister, we live in the living room. We share. Of course, we share the living room. But put the garbage like a peeled orange.
Oh, okay.
Oranges, and she just throw away. She's pretty freak, so she has tidy life. So she always prepares the box and just throw away. So she taught her children to throw away everything there.
And then throw everything together. Yeah.
Yeah, throw away. And another real box is for plastic. She's really, meticulous. So she had too many garbage boxes. So this is because it's newspaper can get a leakage of food, so it doesn't smell. That is the reason she's really practical person. That's it today for parents. Your parents, I don't know. But you can teach other parents. It's easier, and you can train the children how to throw away the garbage.
That's
That's my idea. That's it. Today I finished.
Oh, you you're a good teacher. We made it, so you're a good teacher.
Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Do you maybe want to do the flower that you did 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, I can teach. I need.
This in box in Japanese. Box in Japanese. What is you call?
In Japan, Hako.
Hako.
Hako. I'm doing Japanese teacher. Hako. Yeah. This is you can show Japanese and then they will so you can as far as I remember I taught them I'm making flower. Last time we taught the flower and like this.
I think it's a
Yeah, you just prepare.
Oh, we have more.
You have a pretty triangle, another triangle. Yeah. I try to remember myself. I make so many things, so I always forget. And from here, you see, you put the finger inside and push it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
This is basic technique of origami. We will do crane next time. This will be used. Yeah, that way. And the other side too, just like this, and put the finger inside and square.
All right, we got it.
Yeah, and here you just hold into until center line. Like
Okay.
this. It's easy. Other side too. And turn over. The same thing until center. Until center. And you see this part. It's yours white, so not easy. You just open here, then the flower will be here. Like this. If it's color, it might be easier to bring out like this. Yeah, you just open that part to make squares here. Yeah, like this.
This is a little bit hard.
Yeah, that is the reason I use the colored paper because it's not easy sometimes.
This paper is thicker, so.
Yeah, I know. I used it at first, then my finger done it. Then that is flower, basic flower the kids learn in Japan.
Colored mine from last time.
Yeah, you can put, you painted, right? Yeah, you can paint, you can trim here. We use this type of flower too, but if you cut edges like this will be another flower.
Oh, we need to cut it? Okay.
You can cut, or if you prefer, you don't have to cut. It depends on your, preference.
He's bringing the scissors.
Yeah, and you can paint here. And yeah, for kids, it might be fun to paint. So,
And how do you say flower in Japanese?
Hana.
Hana.
Hana. Hana.
Have you guys ever done origami before? Or is this your first?
Oh, I mean, when I was kid or something. Yeah, but...
this is my first time, actually.
Yeah.
We are very interested because we went to Japan last November.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's still a good time.
Yeah.
It started to be cold, but my hometown is cold, but Tokyo area still it's good. Yeah. That's it. That's it. We finished. That's it. Yay. That's it. The present.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it. We finished.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Yeah, and we'll be doing this every other week. So just look for are you on our Instagram or Facebook?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
Okay. Yeah, I'll post when and where we're going to do the class, because it might be on Facebook. We might pre-record and you can watch it anytime on Facebook. Or maybe we'll keep doing it. This is nice too.
this was much fun.
Yeah, I need to have fun.
If you have any requests for origami that you want Itoko to demonstrate, we can also take that.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're going to think about something. Yeah.
Yeah. Message
Thank you so
the
much.
library and we'll make it happen.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato.
ありがとうございます。
どういたしまして。
All right. Bye.